Hello, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a luxury concierge service website. The platform that we'll be using is Wix Website Builder. The reason why I recommend Wix is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can get started for completely free. To sign up and create an account, all you'll need is your email address. You do not need a credit card or anything like that. So the first thing you're going to do is create an account. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. Once you have selected Setup Without AI, on the search bar right here, you're going to type in Luxury Concierge. So you can type it on right there. Then you'll see it and you're going to select it and tap on Next. On the next page, you can see they are preparing your dashboard. Once your dashboard has been prepared, I will be showing you how to add your business name and also the services that you will be offering. I will also be showing you how to add payment methods that you can offer to your potential clients. So from here, you can add your business name, then you can add your business address. After you have done that, you'll be able to set up your working hours. So let's say, for example, 5 days per week, and you can set up, let's say our business will be open from 8 a.m. and we will be closing at 5 p.m. So you can scroll up, select 5 p.m., then tap on Next. Then from here, you can see some different services that they recommend that we add. So you can select any one of these services that would be related to what you would like to offer to your clients. By simply scrolling down, you can see the different services right here. And it is a case that you would like to add a service, you could tap on Create New Service, enter the service name, then tap on Save. Once you are finished, you are going to tap on Next. Then you'll be able to add your staff member's name and email address. Then tap on Next once more. And if it is a case that you would like to accept payments online, you can select that. Will you also be accepting payments in person? You can tap on that. Then tap on Next. Then you are going to select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, I will now be able to show you how to edit those services that you have added, meaning how to set a price, and also how to change the cover image if you want, and also how to set up the different payment options that you will be offering. To do this, you are going to select Booking Services from the left-hand menu option. So you are going to tap on Booking Services. Once on the service page, if you would like to add a new service, you could tap on Add New Service in the top right-hand corner. Or you can scroll down and we can edit the services that we added when we were just creating it a while ago. So we'll simply hover over a service, tap on Quick Edit. After selecting Quick Edit, we will be redirected to the service page, as you can see right here. You can change the service name if you want. You can also change the cover image by tapping on the X to remove the image and upload an image of your liking. And by scrolling down, you can change the duration of the service right where you see 1 hour on my screen. And also you'll be able to set your price by selecting price per session. So let's say, for example, $100 per hour. Then you can also set up the location that you would like to offer it in right there. Then tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, they are going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, and you are going to scroll down and you are going to select Billing and Payments. But first, let's close this. We are going to tap on the X right there in the top left hand corner. Then select Billing and Payments and you are going to tap on Payments. Next, you are going to tap on Manage Payment Methods. After selecting Manage Payment Methods, you will be redirected to this page. And depending on the country you are located in, you will see different payment options that you can connect. For example, you can see that I can offer my clients TiloPay and PayPal, but if I were to tap on change, I will be able to change the amount of payment options that I can offer. So let's say, for example, I were to type in Australia right here and select Australia, then tap on choose. You will realize that I now have more payment options. So you can see I can offer Stripe, I can offer PayPal, and by scrolling down and selecting see more payment options, you can see that I can also set up AAA, Afterpay, and numerous other options. So it all depends on the country that you're located in. But after setting up the different payment options that you would like to offer, I want you to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. After selecting design site, you're going to tap on pick a template. Once on this page, you will see numerous themes that you can use. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix. As with these themes, you will be able to create a professional looking website in no time. So all you have to do is select one that represents what that you feel like you can quickly edit, that represents your business. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. All I'll need to do is tap on edit to your website. So you could type in some information right here, then tap on generate site text, and the Wix AI will add content automatically to your website. You can tap on the X to close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. And by scrolling down, you can see how your website looks at the moment. Then to start editing your website, you can simply hover over the section that you would like to change, select quick edit in the top left hand corner, and you're going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column. From here, you can change the background image, the title, and text in any section that you would like to edit. If it is a case that you like to edit the header section, you could simply tap on the header section, then you can start editing it. And it is as easy as that to edit any section on your Wix website. Simply scroll down to the section that you would like to change, hover over it with your cursor, then tap on quick edit, and you can start customizing your website. Also, if it is a case that you would like to add text or image to a particular section, you could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the add elements option, which is the plus. Then from there, you can drag and place the element wherever you want. Whether it is a text, image, video, anything at all, you will be able to find it and add it to your website by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner. And to view all the pages on your website, you can tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then, for example, if we wanted to start editing the services page, I could select services page, and you can see some preloaded services right here. So you can simply scroll down, you can see some preloaded services that comes with the template. To remove these or to edit them, you can simply hover over the section, tap on quick edit, and then from there you'll be able to delete them. That's basically it. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on publish and your website would now be live. I have selected preview so you can get a feel of how your website will look, as you can see here. Then you can also tap on home from the menu option at the top, and this is how our website looks at the moment. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, you can leave it in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible.